Practicing coding problems can be one of the most frustrating parts of preparing for technical interviews, especially when you're stuck for hours with no clear guidance. That's exactly the problem Leetcode Wizard AI is trying to solve. It's an AI-powered assistant built specifically for Leetcode users who want more than just hints. They want smart, interactive help that actually teaches them how to solve problems efficiently. One standout feature is the interactive chat assistant. You can ask follow-up questions like, why is this ON login? Or can you show a brute force version first? And the AI responds with clear, structured explanations. It's like having a private tutor who never gets tired or impatient. You can also use it to debug your own code, analyze edge cases, or get hints without being spoon-fed the final answer, which is great for actual learning. The interface is clean and focused. There are no distractions and everything happens right next to your problem. No need to search forums or flip between tabs. There's also support for multiple languages like Python, Java, and C++ with real-time code generation and complexity analysis. As for drawbacks, Leetcode Wizard currently works best with Leetcode-style problems only. So it's not a general-purpose coding AI like GitHub Copilot. Also, the free plan is limited, and full access requires a monthly subscription. Still, the value it brings in terms of saving time and accelerating learning is hard to ignore. In 2025, Leetcode Wizard AI stands out as one of the best tools for interview prep. If you're serious about leveling up your problem-solving skills and want help that teaches instead of just solving, it's absolutely worth trying.